he's made up. That's a charging place.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
Dude, his recoveries are like, what? I can't recover from that. Like he knows what. I haven't been here this long time. Like, remember. Karen. A blue Karen. Is that what you said? a blue heron and a gold Karen. Check out the over here. Okay, let's go inside. Good?
Yeah.
You can almost put your leg on your fender like this, and then it's like you're just like sitting down on your leg. If you put this leg on the fender right there. Okay, we're gonna go up the hill. Nobody here. We got this apartment bungalow. What do they call it? A paddock? Paddock on my wrist. Is it? What the hell is a paddock? Isn't it like a apartment or something? Like a timeshare?
Oh, you need my charger.
Oh,
Did you just bring yours?
I brought a regular.
Yeah, let me use that.
So at least I'm not completely as worthless, although I feel as worthless as normal.
I'll take yours.
Am I going over there or there?
Wow, that's gigantic.
No. What they all say. Here. How do the wood fat pads work compared to the other ones? Better?
Mine's in Skyline.
No, but remember how it didn't
I think it's on
it wouldn't
Skyline.
activate very easily for you? Did it get
Yeah.
better?